Hi, I'm Marie and welcome back to my wildlife garden in December. This month in the Wildlife Garden, we're focusing on providing critical food, water and shelter for wintering animals. Before we get into looking around the garden, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It really helps us out. And if you have any questions about the garden, please put them in the comments. Most garden wildlife is hibernating or overwintering this month, but you'll probably still see many birds such as robins, blue tits, starlings, pigeons, magpies and crows, and maybe visiting winter birds as well, such as fieldfares or redwings. You may also see small mammals such as mice and voles, and larger ones too, like squirrels and foxes. You may even see some amphibians emerging on milder days, often near ponds or under log piles. The biggest news that I have this month, I'm so excited to say that we have a new full-time resident in the garden. A robin has moved in and is living in our jasmine bush. I think it's a male from the territorial behaviour that I've seen. He was fighting off another robin a few days ago, but it's very difficult to be sure. We can see him in the garden most times of the day, either sheltering near the jasmine or under our garden table, eating from the ground or from the bird table, or drinking or having a bath in the pond. Or he can be seen viewing the garden from a high spot, such as the top of our umbrella or the tree or on the fence. I'm so happy that another animal has decided to choose our garden as their home. So let's get into how we can help wildlife this month. Cold weather means that birds need extra calories to keep them warm at night, so they will greatly appreciate the extra food that you provide. Suet, sunflower hearts and peanuts are great fat-rich options. Make sure to clean your bird feeders regularly. Providing water for wildlife this time of year will not only give them water to drink when other sources are frozen over, but will also provide a place for birds to take a bath. This enables them to regulate the oils in their feathers so they can stay warm. Leave your garden as undisturbed as possible during the winter months, especially compost heaps, leaf litter and log piles, and any other areas where animals may be hibernating. For example, compost heaps can shelter a wide range of animals, including hedgehogs and other small mammals, reptiles, amphibians, and even bumblebees. Wait until April before turning your compost. Now is a good time to clean out old nest boxes or put up new ones for the spring. If your pond freezes over, you can simply melt a hole in the ice to allow amphibians to breathe. Now is a good time to plant native shrubs or trees to provide flowers for pollinators, berries for birds, and leaves for caterpillars. Good options are hawthorn, holly, hazel, silver birch and gilded rose. Stay tuned for our January wildlife garden tour next month, and please do subscribe if you'd like to see how our wildlife garden is getting on. See you next time!